Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining. So today I am going to be doing a Dutch pour single bloom blowout on this 12 by 12 canvas. The colors I'm going to be using there are Turquoise Pthalo by Golden, Pearl Sage Green by Arteza, Silver by Liquitex, Pearl Pastel Green by Arteza, and Pearl Green by Amsterdam. So these colors are going to go over my base color, which is Artist Loft Titanium White mixed with US Floetrol and water. I will put the description of all the paints, everything that I'm using. I will put all the details in the description box below. So let's get started. Okay, I'm done messing with this, so let me bring you down for a close-up. So the colors turned out really nicely. I love these blues. I'm a fan of blue anyway, so, but the camera doesn't pick up all the really pretty shimmer. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.